Hello all, welcome to our channel Way to Know. So in this video we will talk about the water level sensor circuit and functionality which we have designed on our own and basically this is the small PCB that you see here which actually has a ESP-01 module, and then there is a buck boost converter which is also there on the board, and we are actually providing a DC power supply as input. And this particular board also has a connector. If you see on the other side there is a connector. Okay, so this connector actually does the have an option to accept the sensor input. So there is a simple water level sensor here. Okay, so the water level sensor has 3 pins. One is the signal pin and the other one is the power supply, plus and minus. So this sensor can work from 3 to 5 volts. So we provided 3.3 volts, and the signal input is actually captured as an analog, and ESP-01 doesn't have a direct ADC, so we included a analog to digital converter on the board, and this particular I2C based ADC is included, and this actually has a 2 channels, so we have 2 inputs which can be accepted. Right now the circuit accepts only one because this particular circuit is dedicated only for the water level sensing. Okay, and it's a small circuit you can see here, and this all can be integrated in a board, and this particular sensor you see here goes into your overhead tank, and based on the level you see the waveform here. If you are able to see, this is the waveform. Okay, so this waveform is actually captured over the cloud, and the MQTT data is transferred from ESP-01 to the cloud, and the analytics are shown here. So we are using MQTT Explorer to show the data. You can use any of the tools that are available. You can also use Hive, MQ, or anything. Okay, so a very simple project which you can execute and integrate into your overhead tank. So this requires basically a power supply connection and a Wi-Fi, and you are all set to go and integrate the product into your overhead tank. Thank you.